Grammy Award-winning song Saturn by Ziza, which was co-written by our very own Cian Ducrot. Cian, you are a Grammy Award winner. Congratulations. How does it feel?
Thank you so much. Feels surreal, to be honest. Crazy.
In the wake of something like that, it must be nice to have that kind of that outpouring of love that's almost kind of tangible. You can feel it from the country, is it?
Yeah, I mean, it's unbelievable. Like, I didn't expect this at all. I kind of, yeah, I just didn't really think about it at all, what would happen if I did win and how people would react and how home would react. And it's been crazy just to see the response and like how proud and happy everyone is. It's a mad thing. I didn't really kind of think that anyone would care that much, to be honest. But it's obviously a crazy thing. Like, it's a Grammy, and it's obviously this massive award for. It's a huge achievement as a songwriter, and I think we're just so good at like kind of normalizing things or thinking that. Having imposter syndrome in a way. I just didn't really think about the fact like how people would react to it. But it's been amazing, and honestly, it's been the thing that's allowed me to really take it in and to really see like this is a great thing, and that I kind of want to pat myself on the back and be like, well done, because it's easy for us to move on and to brush over our successes and stuff. So it's to have that love and that support and that response from everyone around, friends and family, and back home in Ireland, and it's and even in the songwriter community, it just is really special to have that recognition, and I feel really blessed.